In this video, I will tell you how or step to make strawberry juice. Before making it, we require ingredients, and this ingredient consists of strawberry, ice cube, yogurt, sweetened condensed milk, glass, knife and blender. The step is, first of all, cut all the strawberries that will be blended. Don't forget to remove the stem. After that, add enough ice cube and sweetened condensed milk to taste. Then, add 1 sachet of yogurt. Then, blend and wait until everything is mixed, about 1 to 2 minutes. If so, pour it into a glass and it's ready to serve.